Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can track your net worth for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to our browser, and here we're gonna go ahead and start this one particular platform called Empower. Now this particular platform lets you simply calculate your net worth. You also have another customizable rebel Donegan's template to track it manually as well, right? So once you go to this particular platform, you will be able to calculate your net worth. Now how it will be calculated. First, it will simply access the assets like cash, savings accounts, investment and retirement portfolios, vehicles and real estate. Then it will add the liabilities: credit card balances, student loans, auto loans and mortgages, and etc. What more do you have? Now once you have a net worth, it will simply minus the total liabilities of total assets. That's how you will be able to get a entire income of your net worth for free. Now you also need to choose a tracking method. For you can get automated app like as I'm shown Empower. You can also go use Google Sheets and add in the information about your assets, right? That's where you will be able to track it properly by number. That's how you can calculate it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.